Hi, my name is Mike Provatera. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to have a COVID-19 Philly cheesesteak. Watch this. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take a basic onion, and I'm going to make onion rings. Straight down, right down the middle. So we're going to make some onion rings right here. Put these in like that. I'm going to throw out the outer leg. So, next thing we're going to do is we have some filet mignon that's paper thin. We already had it marinating with a little bit of soy sauce, a little salt and pepper, and also a little garlic powder. So I'm putting that right in now. Should be hearing the sizzle. Yeah, should be hearing the sizzle like that. Put up the flame. Check on the onions. Take out that center part of the onion. And the onions are looking good. Steak is on high. We're going to get our cheese ready. This is Swiss cheese. You probably have a lot of these ingredients in your house. You could use filet mignon, you could use Delmonico steak, strip steak, any steak you like. So we're going to use Swiss cheese. The bread that we used is called brioche gourmet. It's a little thicker and it's a little harder, so it'll hold a little bit better. So as the steak's cooking, we're going to put a little soy sauce. Put a little soy sauce on the onion. I'm going to turn that to low. Steak's cooking pretty well. The onions are pretty much cooked at this point. I'm going to turn the steak. Want that to cook a little bit longer on high. The onions are ready. Caramelized onions will go on the bread, just like that. Try to give an even amount on both. Want too much onion, but even it out a little bit. Steak is still cooking. It's on high. Very thin steak, should cook fairly quickly. And we could season the steak while it's cooking with a little pepper. Very little salt. And a little bit more garlic powder. Steak's cooking pretty well now. I'm going to move the steak around a little bit. Make sure it's cooking on all sides. We want the steak well done. I'm going to separate it into two different portions. 1 and 2. Okay. So at this point, we're going to put on the cheese. So we're going to put 1, 2, 1, 2. Season that a little bit. And we're going to let that cook down a little bit. In the oven, we have a hot pocket. And we're going to move this tray to the top. I'm going to fry this up. Stop. Broil. Start. And we're going to put this in there for a minute or so. Just like that. Shut the oven. And now we're about to make our sandwiches. So we're bringing the 2 plates over, ready to go. By now the cheese should be melted. A little bit more, maybe another 30 seconds and we'll be done. Perfect. 1 steak and another steak. And we could put a little bit of the juices there. Steak juices, that is. If you want. Put this on top. Put this on top. And we cut it. There's 1. There's 2. Well, thanks for coming to my kitchen tonight. I hope that your Saturday is a great evening. And now you have everything in the house to make a chili COVID-19 Philly cheesesteak. Take care.